Today we're going to take a look at what is inside your Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So this is a brand new phone I haven't opened before, and we'll take a look. So I'm just going to cut open. And here's the phone, so you can simply slide out like so. And here it has a seal. It says do not accept if the seal is broken, so basically it hasn't been opened yet. So I'm just going to cut open. And here is the phone inside the box, sitting right on top, so you can just lift it up and take it out. Then you can open up this top here. You can see there is this small pamphlet. So let's see what's underneath here. So it's got a SIM ejector tools. You can open it, and inside here you got a quick starter guide, and you also get a case with it. So it's pretty hard. It's not a soft silicone gel one, it's a hard case. Then you got this converter, so micro USB connector. And you got the smart switch right here. So there's a smart switch right there. Then there is also a fast charger. And up here in this compartment there are a few pieces. There is this metal clip right here. Then there is some earbud replacement. So this is a rubber seal. Then there is a USB charging cable. And you got the AKG headphone right there. So that's what's inside this box, and there's nothing else. Then that's just the packaging. Then here is the phone itself. So that's the phone right there. Okay, just powered on, so you can peel it off right here. And we can just power it on by pressing power on the power button. And there you go. So that's everything inside the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 box. So if you buy another phone, you may want to see what's inside the box. This is all the things that you can expect to come with the box. So there is also should be a pen right here that you can take it out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.